Solar power has been installed at the Government Bilingual High School Fontem by the 9th batch of GBHS Fontem as of this year, March 2026. At the end of the year 2025 address, the president of the 9th batch of GBHS Fontem ex-students, Mr. Julius Nkeza, announced that members of the 9th batch had approved a contribution of 5.5 million francs CFA for the installation of a solar power plant on the GBHS Fontem campus.
Our commitment to GBHS Fontem, our alma mater, remain unwavering. In January 2025, we saw the need to clear the school and disburse 500,000 CFA. Beyond that, under the theme Rebuilding GBHS Fontem, from vision to reality, we choose to leave a lasting legacy. Last month, the General Assembly of GASA 8990 approved 5.5 million francs for the first phase of solar power station installation in GBHS Fontem. This station will be named GASA 8990 Power Station.
Just a few months later, in the second week of March 2026, the project was successfully completed. The solar system is now providing electricity to the administrative block, including the principal's office, vice principal's office, staff room, and computer laboratory.
You can see me actually smiling because this electricity has brought us a lot of good. The 9th batch in particular that has brought us the electricity, we want to give some special thanks to them and to pray that God will continue to give them more so that they can always come back to their alma mater to make it a better place for studies.
For the first time, students will be able to study computer science and information technology with reliable electricity.
We already have computers on the way coming here from the ex-students of Bilingual Grammar School Fontem. And so when they come now, we'll fill the room with those computers and it will enable the students to learn computer better with the practical aspect of it.
In addition to the solar installation, the 9th batch alumni have installed security cameras powered by the new solar electricity to help monitor the school environment and discourage trespassing.
Well, that security camera is to take care of the solar installed, such that if somebody comes to tamper with, the security camera will help us to detect the person after.
Despite the progress, some repairs are still needed in the computer laboratory, including work on the ceiling and painting to improve the learning environment.
The entire GBHS Fontem ex-students alumni, they are taking care of all the repairs. Right now, we have already have somebody who is going to give an estimate in order to use now the trolleys to seal all those holes round, such that when the computers arrive, there will be enough security for them. So indeed, we are very grateful for the work that the ex-students in general they are doing, and we are very grateful for the 9th batch in particular for this giant project that have installed us solar. We now have light all over the campus.
Speaking with the electrical engineer, he shared the capacity of the plant and its ability to generate electricity under ideal conditions.
This project will power 25 computers, 4 printers, 3 television, and over 40 bulbs and phone charging areas, creating a more enabling learning environment for students.
In today's world of digital education, a school without electricity cannot function effectively. The installation of this solar power plant is a major step forward for GBHS Fontem, ensuring steady electricity to power computers and support modern learning. The initiative by the ninth batch of GBHS Fontem demonstrates how former students can contribute meaningfully to the development of their school and the future of its students. For GASA Media, I am Safe Mary.